Hello crafters, this is Suzanne for Cat Scrappiness, introducing the Snowflake Trio Die. Oh, this one is so good, love. This is part of Cat's new Christmas release filled with all sorts of good dies, stamps, paper, everything. Details will be listed below. Snowflake Trio, which are 3 dies with great detail, great shape, and great for layering, as you can see here on my card. I sprayed some mica spray and then just layered up. Glitter in the back, cardstock and glitter again, and I think it turned out to be a really nice neutral card. That means that this card can be for both masculine and feminine. Love that. The largest one is 3 1/4 inch by 2 3/4 of an inch. The middle one, you're looking at 2 1/4 by 2 1/2. And then the smallest one, you're looking at, this one is equal distance, 1 1/4 inch. That joy, that's from the joy word with shadow die. This is also part of the new release. And everything will be listed below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.